sounds of the keys to your brand new house. We enter into the living space. Has a wood burning fireplace and flows right into the kitchen with updated white cabinets, granite countertops, nice sized laundry room and pantry. Here's the primary suite. With walk-in closet, big ensuite bathroom with dual sinks. On the other side of the living room, we have 2 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom. And I love this nice sized backyard. Again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in McKinney ISD with a great location close to Adriatica and downtown McKinney. If you would like a private tour, please give me a call.